Hey, welcome back to Rust Worn Home Garage. My name is Tim, and today, back on the old 68, we are going to put in a heater core that is leaking. I did have a YouTube short. You can find that, or I'll link it in here. And we're going to take it out and put a new one in there. I do have a new one. This is it. It's pretty small. It's a pretty easy job. And so let's get started. I do have these hoses clamped off here for the antifreeze, and reach down here, and we're going to go ahead and take off the hoses now. Y'all remember in the previous one I've done here on this old truck, we went ahead and put new hoses and all on the old truck, and so we're going to go ahead and take them back off. Doesn't mean they're going to be any easier to get off. Oh, look at there. There's some fresh green in there. Tighten that down a little bit. And these suckers really stuck on there. Really ain't worried about messing up the heater core now. I've been in the end of it. It's already bad. Well, come on, get out of there. Lord have mercy. All right. Got them off. Take these out of this little clamp holders right here. Really don't want that pouring all over my motor. Fire it up. Make a lot of smoke. All right, we got them off, so let's head inside. And well, as you can see in here, we have antifreeze running down here. If you can see that trickling down. I kind of thought the old heater core would probably be bad in it. But hey, it's always worth a shot. Let's just try it out. So what we're going to do is we got to get this bellow off right here. And there's a couple of defroster vent hoses right there. Gonna undo those. Yeah, I say we're gonna undo those. It's kind of rough in there. You'd think just cause this thing's 50-something years old that wouldn't be no issue, but apparently it don't want to come loose. Let me go get something bigger to get that off. Alright, I just slid it off there. Like this one here come right off. It has a click style clamp there, and apparently that one was holding on. It didn't want to release. So, all right, let's go back outside out there and take some nuts off, and then we're going to let that box down. I'll show y'all the rest. All right, there's 3 nuts. One there, and one there. Well, there used to be one there. It's not present right now. I don't know what happened there. So, get these out here. Always never fails. Hang up in there. Get it off there. All right. Like I say, somebody's been working on this truck. They was doing some things. Again, I hadn't figured out why they even stopped. But, you know, whatever. We're going to fix the old truck up here a little bit. All right. Let's see if we can get this down. Yeah, look at there. She come right on out. Yeah. Looks like some squirrels or something been in here. But there's the old heater core right in there. This boot on here. Let's see. There's a whole box. Looks like there's a plug-in right there. It looks like we got a 5/16 socket here for the ground, and that old box is pretty rusted. Need to probably clean it up while we're at it. Let's get this thing on out of here. Okay, all right, we got it out here. Got y'all in here a little closer now so you can see it. You can see where she's leaking. Here's a little tip. What I do, this is your cables for your selectors up here. I take a paint pen, because these are set to where they'll open and close. So I take me an old paint pen and I paint right where the end of that is going to go back, and also on this one here, as y'all can see. And then when you put it back, you get it right back where it was. That way it lets the flaps open inside this box, and you're good to go on that. So that's just a little tip that I do on these things, and it makes life easier when you go back together. We have a resistor down here. Move that out of the way there. Have the wiring for the resistor here. I'll mess around and break it, is what I'm going to end up doing, because it's old. And of course we had this one here that actually goes to the motor. And then we have a 5/16 ground strap also for the motor. Let's take that off. And then we got two 5/16 here that will release the cables. Take them off as well. My mark's still intact. Take that off as well. And then these simply just slide off here. All right, well, there's the old box, and let's take it out here and tear it apart and take a look inside. All right, today's workbench is the back of my little utility trailer here today in the backyard. I think it makes a fine and dandy one, don't y'all? I mean, work with what you got here. We do things here at Rust Home Worn Garage. All right, we're going to take the screws out here. Looks like somebody's already, well, that's a ground there. Let's see. Take those out. And a couple more there. Make sure those are out. One right here. And there's a couple right here. And today we're partially using cordless, but we're using manual tools today. Look at there. Look at there. It just fell apart. That's the original brass one that come in there. And you can see it was leaking. It served its purpose. Now the new one we're putting in is all aluminum. You notice it don't look near the same as the other one, but hey, new and improved. So I'm gonna clean this box up and get everything straightened back up, make sure everything's good and clean in there. we'll go back together with it.
Garage, where old and new both get a start. Cars and trucks, we fix them all. Turning rust back into heart. If it's broke, we build it stronger. Welcome to the rust-worn home garage. It was the road watch. If it's broke, we build it stronger. Welcome to the rust-worn home garage. If it's broke, we build it stronger. Welcome to the rust-worn home garage.
Okay, we're gonna put this heater core and box back up in there. I've got everything plugged back up. I'm gonna leave this off until I put the box back up in there because it's accessible from the outside right there. And the problem we're gonna have is probably putting this rubber back up in here. That's usually a problem. I got my wife on the outside out there, and she's going to guide me through these holes and put the nuts on the outside. Are you ready out there?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Are we anywhere close?
Yeah. Well, yes, right.
Can't see nothing. We just got to get those
Down. Over. Right there.
Okay, what about the studs going through there?
No.
Look like those are anywhere close. Oh, wait a minute.
Yes.
Look like they're going through there now.
I got one through.
One is?
This one down here, the bottom one.
All right.
The top ones need to come down a little bit.
Okay, what about?
There, that one's through, but the one on towards me is not.
Okay, hold on just a minute.
Nope, the one towards me needs to come down a little bit.
Man, what is going on here? Okay, oh, okay, I see it.
Almost. Down a little bit more. Down a little bit more.
Oh,
Yes.
wait a minute.
Yes.
Look like it's in there?
Yes.
Okay. All right, is it through there?
Yes.
All right, can you start one of them nuts on there?
Yes.
Probably maybe that top one up there. Well, you can do both of them. I was telling before there's a nut missing. I'm gonna have to get one.
I'm putting one at the bottom and then one at the top.
All right. Got them on there?
Almost. Hang on, the bottom one, I think it's cross-threaded.
Is
there's
it?
something wrong with
All right.
the bolt because it's not going on very smoothly.
Okay. It might have some trash in it. Who knows? Gone. As long as you got a top one up there where it won't fall down.
Yes, and it's hand tight. I can
Okay.
put the other one on the top one. It might stay in better. Push it again.
All right. Try that.
There. Yes. Now it'll stay for you.
All right. You got it all up as far as you can go?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go.
That's good.
All right.
See, it takes me to help you.
That's
Just
right.
remember that.
That's right. My wife is always helpful, and she knows a lot of things. So, anyhow, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Anytime.
All right, y'all. We got everything back hooked all back up. I did fire the old truck up, and as you can see, we got everything in there. And we have everything in here plugged back up. There's a piece missing off the bottom of that box. I'm gonna look and see if I've got one of those. I think I've got another box that may have that piece. It looks like it's broken part of the box, but I'm gonna see what I can do to modify that a little bit and make it work. I did have to end up putting a new defroster duct going up to the top on the driver's side. It was actually rotted in two, and I think the old job turned out pretty good. We got no more leak. Obviously, we're gonna have to do some cleaning in here, and put a cover or something over that seat. I don't know. Seat's pretty solid the way it is, and as you can see, I'm going to get a piece right there. That piece is broken. Clean up those sun visors. The old headliner, it's pretty much toast. They pretty much are. And these old things. Found something interesting on this old truck, and it's something they did back in the day. I can't remember for the life of me figured out why they put casket handles on these things. That's what we called them, casket handles. Uh, I think I'm going to take them things off, and yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. I don't know. Leave a comment below what you think about those. What do you think about these gun racks? I mean, that's sure enough old school. But anyhow, the old girl's coming right along. We just got a little more work to do to her, and like I say, we are going to sell this thing when I get it done and get it out on the road and drive it. I do got the pieces for the front. I'm going to work on that grill, get that straightened out, and the bumper is bent a little bit there. We're also going to straighten that out some and make sure all the lights work, the brakes work, and just make sure it's road worthy. And we're going to let somebody else own this thing. It's just a little short video on putting in a heater core, taking that out. It's pretty short. Just wanting to show y'all the progress we're making on this old truck. And we're going to get the lights, like I say, fixed. Some of them work now. I did see some wiring underneath there that needs to be replaced, or actually it needs to be fixed. And some of it may get replaced. I got a couple wiring harnesses that I'm going to fix it with. Make sure all that's done. We're going to get the grill back in it, clean the inside up. Like I say, this truck is going to be for sale. I'm not going to keep the old truck, and one of y'all guys might want it. So anyhow, I thank you for watching, and if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, and if you like things like that, hit that notification bell up there, and we'll see y'all on the next.